Welcome back. Cracks have appeared in the Bengal BJP months before the crucial assembly elections in the state after BJP chief JP Nadda appointed Mukul Roy as the party's national vice president. Senior leader Rahul Sinha has expressed his displeasure. Remember, Mukul Roy, once a close confidant of Mamata Banerjee, had joined BJP in 2017. More details in this report.
40 বছর বিজেপির সেবা এবং বিজেপির একজন সৈনিক হিসাবে কাজ করে এসেছি। জন্মলগ্ন থেকে বিজেপির সেবা করবার পুরস্কার এটাই যে তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসের নেতা আসছে, তাই আমাকে সরতে হবে। এর চেয়ে বড় দুর্ভাগ্যের কিছু আর হতে পারে না।
Bengal Bharatiya Janata Party split wide open. BJP President JP Nadda's organizational rejig upsets senior leader Rahul Sinha. Elevation of Mukul Roy, who was in the Trinamool Congress not long ago as BJP Vice President, has not gone down well with a section of the state BJP leadership. Mukul Roy, once a trusted lieutenant of Mamata Banerjee, had joined the BJP in November 2017. Another Trinamool Congress turncoat, Anupam Hazra, has been elevated as BJP's National General Secretary, replacing Rahul Sinha.
He knows more than me about the party system. So basically there is no conflict between him and me because I am not the authority to assign position. It's all honorable senior leadership's decision which has been taken democratically, and they have found maybe enough potentiality to carry forward this responsibility. That's why they have been assigned, they have assigned me this particular portfolio.
Sinha was the face of Bengal BJP till RSS nominee Dilip Ghosh was made the state party chief, fueling speculations of the veteran leader quitting the party.
আমি এর বাইরে আর কিচ্ছু বলবো না। পার্টি যে পুরস্কার দিল সেই পুরস্কারের পক্ষে বিপক্ষে কিচ্ছু আমি বলতে চাই না। আমি যা বলার 10 থেকে 12 দিনের মধ্যে বলবো এবং আমার ভবিষ্যৎ কর্মপন্থা ঠিক করব।
Mukul Roy, on the other hand, took to social media site Twitter, thanking top BJP leadership for his elevation, saying it was his duty to ensure BJP's victory under the leadership of Dilip Ghosh.
देखिए ग्रुपिज्म वगैरह कुछ नहीं है, पार्टी का अंदर ये तो होता है। ऑलरेडी ज़्यादा लोग आने से पार्टी में थोड़ा मतांतर होता है, लेकिन मतांतर में कोई ग्रुपिज्म नहीं।
Meanwhile, Bengal Minister Purnendu Basu mocked the BJP.
যে এই চমক দিয়ে এবং তৃণমূলের যারা গেছে বিজেপিতে তাদের সামনে নিয়ে এসে বাংলা দখল করা যাবে না, এইটুকু আমাদের দিক থেকে আমরা স্পষ্টত বলতে পারি।
With elevation of those who had joined BJP from Trinamool Congress over past few years, the party has sent a message that it would be a place for only those who have been performing in the party. However, by giving not a very good position to those who've been existing in the state leadership for decades as well as in the national brigade of the party, this time the message is loud and clear that the rift within might not only be the easiest solution and the easiest way to handle for the party on ground zero in Bengal. With camera person Tawas Berry, this is Manogya Loiwal in Kolkata for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.